Hello and welcome to Iconic Brands. In this edition I'm going to be talking about brake servos and some really interesting stuff about that. Bit of a mystery actually, and an update on what's been done on this car so far. I'll see you in 20 seconds. Welcome back. Buying one of these cars is a leap of faith. No matter how much investigation you do into it, how much you look at the car, there's always something with these cars that need doing. I put this strut in here because it didn't have one. I didn't realise it needed one, but it has to have both sides, so I've got that. And it could be a help to anyone that's putting a brake servo booster into the car or has already got one. You will see that it was leaking and I lost the brakes. It'd been standing for quite a while, and when I came to use it, there was no pressure at all, and it was leaking from the brake servo booster. Upon receiving the brake booster, the new one from the well-known supplier, the interesting thing about all this, the club says to fit it that way around, and the supplier say fit it that way around, although you get instructions to fit it the other way around, the original way around it was. So you tell me if that's right or wrong, but I'm inclined to think that the fact that it leaked indicates that with this white part facing down, it failed. So the alternative is to put it back the other way and have it at a slight angle as well. So to anyone who's going to get one of these fitted to the car, or has got one, please check yours. And there's the instructions that I was sent with the unit telling me to fit it the opposite way around to that. But when you ring the supplier up, they say fit it that way, even though they send you instructions fitting the other way. So it's a word of caution to anyone out there that's thinking of doing this job. And it's also been validated by various clubs and people, and other cars that I've looked on the net have all got it facing that way. So why send out instructions saying it the other way? Maybe somebody could tell me. Anyway, the car's great now, and it pulls up fine, and it's going to keep me going to the end of the road. There comes a time in your life when you need a new direction and you need something to focus on. You need a North Star, if you like, and the aesthetic beauty of this car just made me want to buy it. It is a leap of faith buying a car, and there's always something else that you didn't envisage with these cars. And I guess if you look at it as fun and something that's going to spend your time wisely and a good investment, then there's no better hobby than to buy a classic car. And I hope you've enjoyed watching my updates on this car, and I hope you continue to. I've done playlists, I've put them all together on the MG content on Iconic Brands, and I really hope that you find the time to subscribe and enjoy watching my stuff, and many more to come. Thank you. Well, that's it for now. Until the next time, enjoy Iconic Brands.